Welcome to our YouTube book review. In this video we delve into the enlightening world of trading chart breakout pattern and candlestick pattern pocket study for beginners, an essential guide for anyone looking to conquer the complex world of trading. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind chart breakouts and candlestick patterns and learn how this book can help beginners navigate the turbulent waters of the financial markets with confidence and skill. Are you tired of guessing when to buy or sell in the stock market? Want to uncover the secret language of charts and candlesticks? Stay tuned as we decode the art of trading patterns and empower you to make smarter investment decisions. Trading chart breakout pattern and candlestick pattern pocket study for beginners is not just another run-of-the-mill trading book. It's a comprehensive pocket study that equips beginners with the necessary tools to navigate the complex world of trading. This guide provides a practical approach to understanding chart breakouts and candlestick patterns, demystifying technical analysis for novice traders. By empowering readers with knowledge of these patterns, the book aims to promote a more informed and cautious approach to trading, reducing the risks associated with impulsive decision-making. User-friendly format. The book's pocket study format makes it accessible and convenient for beginners to carry the knowledge with them anywhere, allowing them to refer to the patterns while trading on the go. Practical examples. The author provides real-life examples of chart breakouts and candlestick patterns, enabling readers to apply the knowledge gained from the book directly to their trading activities. Emphasis on risk management. Unlike many other trading books that focus solely on potential profits, this guide emphasizes the importance of risk management and helps readers understand how to minimize losses. Beginner-friendly. The book is specifically tailored for beginners, making complex trading concepts more approachable and less overwhelming for those new to the financial markets. The author of Trading Chart Breakout Pattern and Candlestick Pattern Pocket Study for Beginners is Akash Kunder. Unfortunately, my current information only includes the author's name, and I don't have specific details about the author's background and history up to the latest date in my database. However, it is common for authors of trading books to be seasoned traders or financial experts who aim to share their knowledge and experiences to help others navigate the intricacies of the market. Before purchasing any trading book, it's always a good idea to research the author's credentials and reputation to ensure the information is coming from a reliable and knowledgeable source. So if you're ready to take your trading journey to the next level and gain a deeper understanding of chart breakouts and candlestick patterns, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more invaluable insights into the world of finance and investing.